Welcome to Hōnaunau Bay, better known as Two-Step Beach, a snorkeler's dream on the Big Island. This turquoise bay offers crystal clear waters and vibrant coral reefs, perfect for diving and snorkeling. Beginners can ease in on the sandy northern side, while experienced divers head for deeper spots. Dolphins often visit, adding to the magic of this bay. Parking is limited, so arrive early and use the roadside spots before the national park gate. Just steps away lies Pu'uhonua Hōnaunau, the city of Refuge. This sacred site once provided sanctuary to ancient Hawaiians seeking forgiveness. Explore the 182-acre National Historical Park to experience Hawaiian culture and history firsthand. It's the perfect stop before or after a day at Two-Step.